Okay, this is this is the Cascading Waterfall here. And it keeps on going down. Down, down, down. It looks like it's been overgrown a little bit, so once it's cleaned up, it will be absolutely gorgeous. Alright. Now I'm going to try to get down here a little bit at a time. That little pipe was a little water system that I built at one time. Let's see here. Okay, now this right here is the freshwater spring. There are two. Let's see if we can get a closer look at it. Okay, there's the water. You can kind of see a little bit of water. It's just a small stream. It comes out on this side of the rock right here into the creek. Alright, now here is the other one on the other side of this big giant rock. Now I'm going to jump down here. This is just such a beautiful piece of property. This is that big rock, and this is where the little streams once again. Water on that side there. There we go, and there is running water on this side as well. Right here. All going, both of them, emptying into the creek here. Now we will continue to walk down. Go back up, look up a little bit here. This piece right here is one of my favorite little spots. That one right there. You can make that into like a little hole that you can just sit in and sit right under that little waterfall, or just sit right in the little thing right next to the waterfall. How beautiful. Oh, gorgeous. Okay. I'm going to go down here. I'm trying to hold on the best I can. I'm walking right in the middle of the creek. Okay. Alright, now flashing back up once again. Okay. Go down just a little bit more. Alright. Yeah, there's a few logs that have fallen down and stuff like that, but you know, that's just all superficial. It's easy stuff to clean up. Alright, let's go back. Let's go down just a little bit more here. Across the creek. Okay. Now I bought this culvert here, which can be used to cover the last little bitty bit of the creek to make a nice giant just sitting area down at the bottom. There's already a small sitting area, but that would give me another 20 feet. Being that I have so much creek already. Now it goes all the way to right there. Now I'm going to flash on the creek one more time. This is also a beautiful, beautiful part of the creek here. You can see what the rocks look like when they're clean. From here with all the overgrowth, it's a little bit more difficult to see. It's about as high as I get right there. And the creek goes way up to up there. See if I can get the focus here. Absolute beauty. Well, contact us. Let us know what you think.